Hey! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this REALME. First of all, just access Settings. Now click on Apps and Notifications here and tap on Notifications. Following that, scroll down just a bit, click on See All from last 7 days and click on Most Recent. Now select one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!